Realme Pad along with a few other devices was launched in India through a virtual launch event, and here is all you need to know about it. I'm Rajul Raj, you're watching Simply Techie, and let's get started. Realme launched its first tablet on September 9, 2021 and it's called the Realme Pad. The company's first tablet is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio G80 SoC and supports Dolby Atmos sound. Realme Pad also comes with fast charging support and has Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi plus 4G variants to choose from. In addition to the Realme Pad, Realme at its virtual launch event announced the arrival of Realme Cobble and the Realme Pocket Portable. Both models come in two distinct color options and carry IPX5 water resistance. I'll be getting into it soon. First, let's talk about the Realme Pad. Realme Pad's price in India has been set approximately 14,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi only variant that will be available in one configuration, which is 3GB RAM and 32GB of storage. The tablet also has a 3GB plus 32GB option for the Wi-Fi plus 4G variant that is priced at approximately 16,000 rupees, while the top of the line 4G plus 64GB model with Wi-Fi plus 4G connectivity carries a price tag of approximately 18,000 rupees. All three options will be available in real gold and real grey colors. On the availability part, the Wi-Fi plus 4G models of Realme Pad will go on sale starting 12 PM noon on September 16 through Flipkart, Realme.com and major offline retailers. Details about the availability of the Wi-Fi only variant are yet to be announced. The Realme Pad tablet runs on Android 11 with a new Realme UI for pad skin on top. The tablet features a 10.4-inch WUXGA plus 2000 by 1200 pixel display that has a screen to body ratio of 82.5%. The display is also capable of reducing its brightness to as low as 2 nits under a preloaded night mode to cut down eye fatigue in the dark. It also has a dark mode to reduce the screen's brightness to some extent and a sunlight mode to switch to the screen's maximum brightness while using outdoors. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, under the hood there is a MediaTek Helio G80 SoC along with up to 4GB RAM and 64GB of onboard storage. Realme Pad features an 8 megapixel camera at the front with an ultra-wide lens that has a field of view of 105 degrees. For designing Realme Pad, the company used an aluminium body that has a thickness of 6.9mm and weighs 440 grams. Realme Pad comes with 4 dynamic speakers that are powered by Dolby Atmos and high-res audio technologies. There are also dual microphones to enable noise cancellation during video calls and while attending online conferences. To deliver a deeper ecosystem integration, Realme has pre-installed its Smart Connect feature on Realme Pad and allows consumers to use their Realme Band or Realme Watch to unlock the tablet. There is also a nearby share feature to let users share files and images between their Realme phones and the tablet. Realme Pad has an open up auto connection feature that lets users connect their earbuds in the tablet when they are in a proximity. Realme Pad packs a 7100 mAh battery that supports 18-watt quick charging. The tablet also supports reverse charging via OTG cable. Now, let's talk about the Realme Cobble and the Realme Pocket Portable. The new Realme Cobble Bluetooth speaker comes with 5 watts dynamic bass boost drivers that is paired with an additional passive radiator. The speaker supports stereo pairing over Bluetooth and comes with a 3 preset equalizer for a customizable audio experience. Further, there is a super low latency game mode that offers wireless audio transfer with a latency rate of 88 milliseconds. Realme Cobble comes with Bluetooth version 5 connectivity and includes a Type-C charging port. Realme has provided 1500 mAh battery on the Cobble speaker that is claimed to deliver up to 9 hours of usage on a single charge. Besides, the speaker weighs 200 grams and comes with an IPX5 belt. The Realme Pocket Bluetooth speaker was also announced. It comes with 3-watt dynamic boost driver along with a passive radiator and is paired with a bass boost plus enhancement. The speaker includes 3 preset equalizers and features touch control. It also offers Bluetooth 5 connectivity and has USB Type-C charging port. It is equipped with a 600 mAh battery. Realme Pocket is claimed to deliver 6 hours of playback time on a single charge. It weighs about 113 grams. Last but not the least, the Realme 8S and 8i was announced. The Realme 8S may sport 6.5-inch display with 90Hz refresh rate, 64 megapixel camera on the back alongside 2 more sensors. The Realme 8S may also pack 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging. The Realme 8i may include a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus display with a punch hole camera in the top right corner. The back of the phone may have a 50 megapixel triple camera setup that will include 2 megapixel macro sensor and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, the phone may come with a 16 megapixel camera. The Realme 8i may come with at least 4GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage. Inside the phone, there may be a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging of some sort through a USB Type-C port at the bottom. That is all you need to know about the Realme Pad launch event. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you soon.